This video is going to be quite mysterious. Have you ever heard of a planet 9? No, I'm not talking about Pluto. I'm talking about the mysterious planet named the Planet 9. So, shall we begin? Let's start. There is a mysterious object named Sedna, which is located beyond the Kuiper belt. It is the furthest known object from the Sun. The mystery of the object is how oddly this space body moves in its orbit. It isn't like anything we have seen before. It moves as close as 11 billion kilometers to the center of the solar system. Then it drifts away to about 135 billion kilometers. It is such a great distance that it needs roughly 11,000 years to make a full circle. Sedna, along with other celestial bodies, is thought to be a part of a collective gravity. When space objects orbit each other like a binary star system, they pull and push on each other, and it affects their orbits. One mind-blowing suggestion is that Sedna and a few other space objects could have been the reason for the extinction of the dinosaurs. As the orbit of these objects fluctuate, they can shoot nearby comets into the solar system and even towards the Earth. Here's the real mystery. Since Sedna swings back and forth so far, it seems there is some unforeseen force that pulls on Sedna, and the force is the hypothetical Planet 9 located far beyond the Kuiper belt. It is estimated to be about 10 times the size of our planet, although it hasn't been found. Yet, there's the theory that it could be an alien that came from a different star system. Other scientists suggest it's an ancient black hole. Whatever the case is, Planet 9 is supposedly hiding somewhere in our solar system, and it is hard to detect because of the bright row of stars in our Milky Way. However, a recent study suggests it may be closer and brighter than we think. And if it is brighter, it can be easier to detect. So how do we find it? Well, scientists are currently using different telescopes to scan the section of the sky where Planet 9 could be. Their best shot, however, will be the Vera Rubin Observatory, equipped with a powerful 8.4 meter telescope. When completed in 2023, the telescope will be repeatedly scanning about 2/3 of the sky for looking everything from asteroids to the mysterious Planet 9. If we discover it one day, it will become the first time a planet orbiting the Sun is found in the last 200 years. Back to the 9th planet. If the Planet 9 does exist, people will most likely have to rewrite astronomy books. We used to believe that Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun, but now it may turn out that the Planet 9 is furthest, being 20 times further away from the center of the solar system than Neptune. In other words, it is 56 billion miles away from the Sun, and NASA's New Horizons probe would need more than 50 years to reach the mysterious planet. What if the Planet 9 is a black hole? Will it eat up the whole solar system? That means it is not a black hole because it did not eat up a thing, right? No, we can be sure it is not a stellar black hole. But that could be a primordial black hole. Chances are quite less, but still a little chance remains. Primordial black holes are believed to be existing since the beginning of the universe, but they are just hypothetical. We aren't sure about their existence. If you don't know about primordial black holes, you can watch this video. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.